Hello my friends, I'm glad to present you the new Volkswagen Jetta 2022 GLI. The acronym GLI stands for Grand Luxury Injection, so model aims to provide the best of performance and features. While the best Jetta upgrades with the 158 horsepower 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine from the Taos, the Jetta GLI has 228 horsepower 2.0 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This new sport trim positioned above the base A trim with an XCD differential, 17-inch wheels and a black package. What about transmission? Thankfully, you can still get it with a 6-speed manual transmission as well as a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. To simplify the GLI lineup, there is only one trim level, the fully loaded car, and one option choice, a black package. The exterior and interior design of the Jetta and Jetta GLI score a few tasteful changes. You will notice a new grille, updated front and rear bumpers, and Volkswagen reversed logo, which give the Jetta a more polished look. The GLI show off a modified rear diffuser with a honeycomb pattern, which houses the dual exhaust tips. The new styling is complemented by some new wheel options, where will be also 3 new metallic colors available: Rising Blue, Oryx White and King's Red. Moving to the inside of the Jetta, there are updated seats. The GLI retains the same seat but with a new red trim and perforated leather, different upholstery choices, a newly standard digital gauge cluster. There is also a two-tone volcano brown and black leather color scheme. Both models also receive Volkswagen's updated steering wheel as well as a new shifter design. The steering wheel on the GLI has touch control and GLI badge. Where available driver assistant features have also been tweaked, with automated emergency braking, rear traffic alert and a blind spot monitoring, all now standard, and on upgraded IQ Drive package with additional driver assistance system optional on all trim levels. As for the price and release date, the Volkswagen Jetta will arrive by the end of the year. Pricing has not yet been realized, but I expect the new model to be on par with the 2021 model, which starts just under $20,000 for the base Jetta and at $27,000 for GLI model. Do you like the new look?